Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Loide. Here we talk about anything and everything natural hair. So if that sounds like something that you may be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today, I'll be putting a wig to the test. I'm gonna try to attempt multiple hairstyles with just one wig. Today's category is versatility. And as you guys know, our natural hair in itself, the versatility is unmatched. Talk less of the styles that we're able to do with our hair, hashtag versatility unmatched. And y'all know me in styling, we make a great combination. Now, HerGivenHair sent me a wig and they told me that this wig is very versatile. They call it the all-in-one wig, as in I can do all styles with just this one wig. Okay, well, let's see if that's true. It's like Christmas. Ew. This resembles my curl pattern, period. Like, nothing else to say. This is my hair curl pattern. I see the S curls in there, I see the coils, all that. Okay, let's see what we could do then. Okay. So I decided to wash this wig with shampoo twice. One, so I can make sure that the hair is cleansed and thoroughly clean, and two, to get the excess color out. And then I proceed to condition the hair, and then I began finger detangling. And once I'm done finger detangling, I rinse and allow the hair to dry. And this is the wig, y'all. The all-in-one wig. The wig that we're gonna be styling with today. Y'all know me in texture. Off the bat, I love this texture and it mimics my 4B, 4C hair so well. The hair is very soft. I noticed that it has a 1 by 2 inch lace, which gives us more than enough to work with and adds to its versatility. And there are also these hooks that are installed on each side of the lace as well as in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my hair for this wig. If you are wanting to know how I did this look, we're trying to come up with a name for this hairstyle. It's just a new natural hairstyle that I was inspired to put together. And I feel like this look is very unique and beautiful for our kinky curly hair girls. You can find this video down below so you won't miss it. I just took a little bit of leave out on both sides, just like my edges, and I just flat twisted down that first section. My natural curls do match this curl pattern, but right now my hair is stretched and this doesn't really match. So this is like a magical moment. We're just gonna put some mousse on my hair. Hopefully she curls up. I'm pretty sure she will. I'm just gonna tuck them behind my ears and we can go ahead and get started. Each section lay the way that I want. Sometimes I like to go vertical, kind of open it that way. You can see that that helps the length come out a little bit. So when I do it horizontal like this, it's giving the hair volume, and then when I go vertical, it gives it some length. Ooh, super cute. But I will say, the cap is not big enough for me. I feel like because the thickness and the density of my hair is also increasing, I need something that I can wear my hair underneath loosely. Maybe that's just my preference. For the comfortability of the wig, have smaller parts. Yes, so the wig can fit snug on your head. Sometimes I want to be able to have my hair not so tiny and smaller parts, you know what I'm saying? That's just me though. And also use a wig cap as well. Ooh. No leave out. Ooh, she's cute. Ooh, I like this a lot. How's the blend, y'all? What do you guys think about the blend? I think that's pretty good. I didn't put anything on it. If you feel like the blend is not quite what you feel like it needs to be, you can always put concealer or foundation. You know, we can do a side part, middle part. Versatility, we still going though. We still trying to see. Let's try another style. Wow, that blend is nice. Hold on, wait. This is a style within itself. Y'all see where I'm going? So with me playing around with this wig, I witnessed that I could just take my twist, press my hair down, and kind of do something like this. And if you wanted, you could have twisted your hair, your leave out, with this hair and get more of a blend. Versatility? Okay. Side part 1, middle part 2. With the flat twist in the front, and you can tuck it behind your ear. Hold on. 3. If I take my flat twist and I put it around the wig, press the hair down. 4. And remember what I said about twisting your hair with the wig? There's a lot of inspiration and ideas coming through. You can even do a braid out and twist out with this wig. And a wash and go. Okay, how many is that so far? Let me take down my hair and see what we have here. See if the blend is nice, if my hair color matches the wig. I feel like a little lion. Even though my hair did not have time to dry in that flat twist, y'all can't tell me that all this is not my hair. The blend, wow. See, I do feel like my hair is a bit lighter though. Just a tad, right? Just a tad, like, but regardless of that, I love this wig. Oh my gosh, I do. It doesn't feel like it's too much. You know, it feels like it's sitting at my shoulders nicely. I'm not even sure which number we're on when it comes to versatility. I've named so many styles already and shown with this wig, but let's continue. I want to see if I can achieve a ponytail with this wig. I just used one product, my gosh. I love this line. So I had this on my head for probably a good hour or so. So let's see how my hair looks. Oh, let's just add the hair. And I'm gonna be using the drawstring there to make this really tight. And that is a nice path. Ooh. So I'm gonna take a chunk from, because you can see the lace. I'm gonna take these two right here in the front to kind of get that seamless blend around. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold it taut and just kind of mold the ponytail. Very nice. Ooh, I feel like I could do tennis. Might be good at it. Very sleek and smooth. Just tell that it'll last me for days, this look. I think this might be my favorite one. Ooh, and I had high hopes. HerGivenHair, I am impressed. You said that this wig was very versatile. I put it to the test and you have passed. A wig that can turn into a ponytail, now that's different. That's next level. Especially me being a beginner in this wig world. Ponytail, wig, full and leave out. And you can style it. And check out from HerGivenHair. Well done. This wig has all I need in one. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified when that next video is on its way. See you soon. Bye. Okay, is it ba or ba? Ba. 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 Okay, I don't know, I'm being shy. Ejek gak back to her given hair. That actually sounds good.